So there's been some controversy surrounding the work of shadow boys or loading boys. Some passengers and drivers think they are of no use, others think they are beneficial to their work. We are here at the Temamoto Way Manet Junction to find out from some passengers, mates and drivers about how beneficial or unbeneficial the works of these shadow boys are to them and what they make of it.
Not be today we start the work, but from today right now going, if we will load them, you can't feel what pay us. You go load the car, you go tell you say I dey go camp. Oh, you got yourself. Me kwaba. And I'm bet to me I say oh, the be na why na I'm on na obe ji omuska na pesca omude omusu. E dey grass say ba first ni say ba. Ya nyat say 100 and 8. But see I say ba say onya kwa 30 40. So now they are fear. Onya shi ya. Me a carpenter ni. Ba she say I'm go yimi ba scan yo. Etina me jai na me ba na me say me adwuma kakra na me da show Accra sufu of ye. So na akwada su of na she kosu na me ba na me kise kitwa bi so na me da coffee go shop. Ba we loru car na car no odi rough no. Say I say nya adwuma bia ye be
Me see me ni beba lodu car no kakra na me dey show akwala mu no ofi ti show nkoso me wa dey dawa me ni dey wa ye fa on nti me na mo waze me kakra bia nya me bua obi betu me aye pim na ma go share bi fufuro na me ye adwuma kakra ade me nya show me amanya 50 Ghana ma yi 30 Ghana ma me wife no otumi asesu or consider me say me dey be bad ya there ebi wa o ma 50 pesos wa say wa shadow amanu and ani pa baka mu bebre say o onye onwa ade a efe onu so onye ba onye obeka say okwa aba obesa akwa aba wasa lo no wasa akwa aba no say bi kire say wa sheda na oye de oye sa wa enti onu de ya nim bre man say e babu
mate ni drivers for no dodo na like omo ni say yen na ye support omo any passengers no because passenger ni betimi aba ka bi ono pe bia e no no befro ba ye ni omo kasa awon brasie mu a omo timi fro car no.
Oh, I don't have mates. I'm alone.
So is the shadow boys that help you?
Yeah, sometimes they do help us. I don't think their work is for them doing the shadowing here is not beneficial because as a youth they have the strength. They can use it to do something that is profitable than this one.
But today, for instance, you are saying you don't have a mate. And since you don't have a mate, how are you going to call the passengers to join your bus? Are they not the same people who will help you?
Do you know the fact is that if you alone, you come here and you couldn't get anything, that one you know you didn't get anything. So when you reach here and the guys who they are ready to help us, when they finish helping us, we give them something. But if the mate who is there and the guy too is there, you give something to the mate, another giving something to the loading boys too.
Because who are load the car now so my criminal some man what the man also on pay and you also not go find the pan begua me na my criminal say oh brother the 5 cedi and the 2 cedi but the man is also on sana it me to make some men wow but me load me car to also load I mean to stop o stop no car no on still load abaka so load because on our why not say station master but just to do ya no load olori we say that's a bia oh tell the 2 cedi the 3 cedi abaka say so it me dey very pay was if you want more asama or crown dey bad cry olori we okay say 50 Ghana one farmer now omunti na unko.
So we are here at the American House bus stop in East Lagos. We're speaking to some drivers and mates as well, and they say their support is helping their business.
Station they try to intensity. In every ulodi one trip bia 10 cedi. Say one trip what you 10 cedi sound. Ulodi ba kumbia 10 cedi na etua. Ulodi ukolodi a 10 cedi na obetua. Yensu we say e high ensu. E high papa unhwe na omuye bibi mfa omaya.
Loading boys now more load cars no more for so be kula omaya because yɛbɛgyina ɔmo na ɔmo boa mate for na saddle ama passengers na abɛtena car no ɔmo boa stop cars na ama afa ɔmo cross kwan no wɔn ayɛ kwan no yɛ busy nti ɔmo gyina cars na ma passengers na ama ɔmo cross abɛtena car no
aho hia yɛ pa because adwuma na nya better so ati asenti ebia te sɛ sɛ we si wɔ empty sɛ shadow boy e ka ho na sɛ ebia mate ni ne che ground ya easy sɛ obɛyɛ ma akɔ nti shadow boys na ɔmo boa yɛ
last time e bi to me kra all pass gan was shadow can you are or jid sika o mate nti na mate ni yɛ na adwen sɛ odi one driver no ma fa yin so mo pɛ sɛ mo dwane ɔno so do kitaba ɔmo hu ya ne sɛ ne grass ni mo de abɔ grass ni mo pan ɔde abɔ all pass po a fa ho dwane obi ani ba bi ofri nti na sɛ 10 cedi na 5 cedi ɔde bɛma ni nti no wa sɛ o ka grass ama ɔde kɔ nti adwuma no so how we wo mu kakra so no.
For M24 News, my name is Manuela Malkley Ano.